It is already the digital age, and if you still haven't utilized technology for financial gains, then you are missing a lot of things already. So, for this video, I will teach you how to earn money online by using this platform that will pay you for watching a movie or game and reading a comic book. This can be done online while you are in the comfort of your bed. All you need to do is use your phone or laptop, find a good movie, and go to a certain website. It only pays $15 per task, but it is still a lot. You can buy and use the money to relax, eat, or enjoy. It can also be done pretty fast and it is available from anywhere in the world. You can also use any gadgets for this hack. So just stay tuned until the end of the video to know how you can earn money from a new online platform. All you need to do is to watch videos and you will earn money without investing any capital. To start, I want to know how many movies do you think you have watched in your life? Now, how many games have you played? Well, please comment down below your answer as these numbers can help you gain money online. In this hack, the more movies or games that you have encountered, the more money you can earn. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the online money machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, let us proceed with the video. So the first website that we will use is called Animation Arena. In this site, you will find various reviews for movies, video games, and comics. People leave feedback or review on this forum. There is an interesting thing about this website. It will pay you for watching, playing, or reading. To get paid, go to animationarena.com/arena-writer. Since it is hard to find the said feature in Animation Arena, I will leave a link on the description. If you want, you can go directly to Google and search it. Now, you need to open this page right here. As for this site, you do not need to have writing skills to earn money. Instead, you will just provide your honest opinion about the film that you have watched. So, you can choose what genre or movie you can watch. After watching it from anywhere you prefer, you will leave a review on this site. So, they will pay you $15 per review that you will make. In a month, you can pass a maximum of 10 reviews on this site. Well, that will only be applicable for one email. Thus, you can create multiple accounts to submit more reviews and earn a larger sum of money. Imagine how much you can earn if you can submit 10 reviews per month. You would make $150 in Animation Arena for watching your favorite new releases or classic films on the internet. These are the rules on this site. Your review must include at least 550 words. Do not worry, it is not a lot. Your review must also be an original piece, meaning you can't copy and paste it from other review sites. Your honest review of the film will do, so you do not need to plagiarize other contents. After reviewing the film, you need to rate the movie that you have watched. There is a scale of 1 to 10. Be honest in giving the feedback. Rate whether you like it or not using the 1 to 10 scale. You should also rate how much you enjoyed the film using the same rate. Lastly, rate your overall opinion about the film. Do this properly and you will get paid $15. As an example, you watched a movie online and you submitted a review. Then, the site will pay you $15 for that. To submit the review, send an email to this email address. Copy the said email address and send a message with the subject line of Writing for Animation Arena 2011. Now, you need to follow the directions indicated on this page. You should note that it often changes, so you need to be careful about it as the directions might be different from time to time. Make sure to follow these rules to earn money. Now, there is another option that we can do. It is through the platform called Cashkick. This is another website that I want to tell you about. Assuming that you can submit 10 reviews per month on Animation Arena, then you can earn additional money on this site by watching short form videos. This will not require more time as you will only watch short videos. To do this, use Cashkick because as their motto says, cash is your greatest reward. They will pay you for the things that you are normally doing online. You can watch videos, surf the web, and answer surveys. However, we will focus on watching videos this time. This site will pay you through PayPal, so it is very accessible for everyone. It is also free, which means you can start even without capital. The method to earn money is very simple. You will look for a video that you want to watch, and you will see your income grow after that. Aside from that, Cashkick offers lower thresholds for payouts, so you can cash out your money early and easily. You just need to earn $5 to be able to cash out. You will be able to withdraw your money after that. You can even do this at home using your phones. It is really easy to make money online just by watching videos. Well, the pay is not really high, but it is also a great source of extra dollars. It only takes a few minutes, so there is really a great incentive for doing this. It does not require any real work aside from watching videos. You don't even need to understand or absorb the content of the video, and you can play and leave it out in the background. You can multitask, and you will still get paid for doing it. To start, head to cashkick.com or use their application. You need to sign up, but do not worry as it is 100% free. After that, enter your email address and create a unique password. After that, press Get Started Now. A feature will open up. It will direct you to watch videos. So, for every video that you will be able to play, you will earn money. Using this app, you can make money by watching videos on the internet. It's cool, right? A very simple way to earn money online. That is just it for today's video. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.